What's up, everyone? Today is July 29th. It's a Thursday. I know it's been a very, very long time since I've making a recap video, but I just decided to make a recap video today because there were a couple of good trades which I capitalized on, and yeah, I kind of wanted to get back into making these videos. So I took two trades today. Both they were on NVDA and Tesla. So let's get started with NVDA. As always, I start off on a 1 hour time frame to find my levels. So a couple of people, including myself, were watching this level. I really liked this 1 hour level 196.22 was my go-to trigger. Really liked it because we had several touches. One touch right there. We had another touch right here, so that's two. And then 3 and 4 touches right here. So let's just zoom out quickly. What is this telling me? NVIDIA stock split. It's been making higher lows ever since, been consolidating in this range, and now it failed to get above this 196.22 level. So I know a breakout of this level can easily see this next resistance of a 199.3, which I will also play, or 3 hour use supply, which it hit perfectly and then rejected. Also, a couple of people were asking me, why did you play this knowing there was supply? Keep in mind that this supply has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So the supply zone, which has been tested 5 times, is of no importance to me, so I might as well just remove it from my charts. So that's the higher time frame analysis on NVIDIA. Let's go down to a 5-minute time frame now, and I can show you my exact entries and exits. So right off of the morning, NVIDIA tried moving lower and buyers bought us immediately back up. And then we started moving up nicely towards the level. I entered right as we broke it. Little improvement on my end. Could have entered slightly before, but nonetheless, I got a pretty good fill. Entered 2 contracts at, I believe, $2.80. Got this nice push up. Scaled my first one at 3.4. And then we pushed back up here, and we failed, and then we tried pushing up back. So I exited my second one. I don't remember where, somewhere in this area for, I believe, 3.2. So 60 cents on the first contract and $1 on the second contract. So very, very simple entry, very, very simple exits. On top of this, if you go to ES, you can see that ES had a nice move off the first 5 minutes, and NQ had a nice move in the first 5 minutes. So not only did NVIDIA follow all of my rules, but ES and NQ supported it as well. So NVIDIA was a perfect trade from my end. And the other trade I took today was on Tesla. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. So Tesla has resistance on this wedge multiple times. Have resistance right here once. We have resistance twice. And then we have resistance 3 times. So 3 resistance touches on a longer term wedge. I know that once we break out above this, we should easily see 4 hour supply. So this plan worked out near perfectly. Yes, we are trading in the supply, but keep in mind that this supply zone was used, so it's of no importance to me. This 3 hour supply right here was also used once, so again, no importance to me. And then this was a fresh supply zone. I will always keep fresh supply zones on my chart. Triggered, hit that 4 hour supply and rejected, and now it's retesting this wedge and acting as support. It's another reason why I like supply and demand with support and resistance so much, because if you really look, you can understand the entire story. So that's a higher time frame analysis on Tesla. Let's go down to a 5-minute time frame now. So Tesla moved up nicely, flagged, started moving up nicely. I was keeping in the back of my mind that Tesla was up 3.5%, so it is slightly extended on an intraday chart. However, what really caught my attention was this momentum. You see this momentum candle right here at 10:25, highest volume of the day, meaning buyers are clearly in control. So all I did was keep that in the back of my mind, take profits a little bit quicker. So extended, it was okay because there was clear momentum backing it up. Another thing is that there were 4 straight green candles on a 5-minute time frame. One at 10:10, another one at 10:15, then 10:20, then 10:25. So expecting that we would have another super bullish 5-minute candle is very, very low. You usually don't see 5 straight green candles. There are always exceptions, but just taking my chances, I wasn't comfortable entering here. Wanted to wait for some sort of consolidation. Got that consolidation at 10:30, and then I simply just took the 5-minute RBR through this wedge, knowing there was momentum, knowing there was buyers backing me up. Wanted to enter before the wedge breakup because I knew this is where retail would chase. This area right here, this is where retail gets trapped. Where does smart money enter? Where do we enter? We enter right here. So it's always us versus retail. We enter in smart places. We enter when there's momentum. Retail enters when momentum dies out, and all we do is we sell our positions to retail. Yeah, so I entered on this 5-minute RBR right here. I did size down a bit, entered 2 at 2.2 just because I was already up somewhat nicely on the day. This week has been slower too, so I wanted to protect myself. Entered 2 at 2.2, got the nice push up through this wedge, took one off at I believe 2.85. Then we tried getting above. I think ES at this point failed all-time highs, and NQ also failed high of day. So what that's letting me know is that yes, Tesla is retesting this wedge and setting up for a move higher, but because ES failed all-time highs and NQ failed high of day, I'm better just protecting profit. So I took my last one off at 3.01. And show you exactly what I mean. It was let me pull up the time where I got my last. It's right here, 10:45. So let's start off with ES. What did ES do at 10:45? Tried pushing through all-time highs and failed, so that was a little bit bearish. And then on NQ, 10:45 is right here. 10:40 tried getting above high day, failed. 10:45 started pushing down. That's why I took my last one off on Tesla. So pretty simple analysis on both trades, nailed both of them. NVDA I think was 35%. I think Tesla was closer to 40%. So it was, both of them were nice trades. So I just wanted to make this short recap video for those wondering why I took my trades and where I entered. And I hope that we have a better next week because there really wasn't much follow through this week at all.